This 2024 Grand Design Solitude 391DL is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Egg Harbor City, New Jersey 08215 and is offered for sale by White Horse RV Center. This new Grand Design is 43 feet 11 inches in length and features 5 slideouts, sleeps 8, air conditioning, LP detector, microwave, Colorado detector, smoke detector, TV, water heater, leveling jacks, skylight, oven, and 81 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bunk beds, couples coach, front bedroom, kitchen island, loft, mid-kitchen, rear bath, rear bedroom, 2 bedrooms, 2 entry, exit doors, 2 full baths. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Grand Design Solitude 391DL is 15,300 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by White Horse RV Center, visit RVUSA.com.